Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to create PDF from photo on iPhone. So first open your gallery. Choose the documents you want to convert. Tap on select and select it. Now tap on share icon. Scroll down and select save to files. After saving it to Files app, open Files app. Now locate the documents like here. Tap on three dots on the top. Tap on select both the document. Now here tap on three dots on the downside. From here you will get an option create PDF. Tap on it. Now your PDF is created, as you can see. Open the PDF. You can rename it. Your PDF has been created. Now you can share it via email or WhatsApp or other methods. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.